Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. Today, coming to talk to you about ITIN loans. Does everyone know what an ITIN loan is? It's when you have a borrower, a person that came from another country, and they actually don't have a social and they have a tax ID. Did you know you could actually get a home loan through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac with a tax ID number, an ITIN loan? So we specialize in these loan programs where we're talking about the benefits and the requirements of a tax ID or an ITIN loan. So the first thing is, if you're trying to get a loan and you have a tax ID number, maybe a lot of lenders have denied you, they told you it wasn't possible, or they told you had to have a massive down payment. Today we're gonna be coming to talk to you about a solution to get your tax ID ITIN loan for your primary residence. So the first thing that they wanna see is that you have eligible status in the US, and included in this video is a PDF attachment showing what statuses are eligible. You can either have a approved work visa, be a permanent resident, okay? Or you could be an asylum, right? Or you could have your approved DACA. So any of these methods are acceptable as approved statuses in the United States. So you cannot have an ineligible work visa. You have to have an approved work visa and show that you're approved and authorized to work in the United States. In addition to that, you have to have a 2-year work history. So you have to be able to document 2 years of self-employed or W-2 work history, and preferably backed up by US tax returns. Okay, these are the main requirements to get approved for an ITIN loan, is to have an acceptable 2-year work history. If you're self-employed, 2 years of US taxes. If you work for a company, 2 years of W-2s and pay stubs in the United States. And you have to have an approved status with the United States. If you have these things, then you're eligible to apply. I'm not saying you're going to get approved if you have just those two things, but you're eligible to apply. Ideally, you have a good credit score. Ideally, you have funds for down payment. The loan still has to get approved by the underwriter, but you'll have the necessary requirements to apply for the loan. And these loans can be with as little as 5% down, as high as 20% down. You can go up to, as of today, a $650,000 purchase price. So with as little as 5% down, and it's available nationwide. Doesn't matter where you're at. This is for primary residents only. So if you meet these requirements and you have your debt ratio has to be below ideally 43%, then you're eligible to apply. You don't need a social security card. You don't have to be a permanent resident. You don't have to be a US citizen. This is for people that have an ITIN, a tax ID, and they're hardworking here in America and they want to buy their home. This is a possibility, a way that we can actually get it done and make it happen for you. There's millions of people that are in this type of situation. So if you're a realtor, you're a broker, or you know someone that has this type of status, please call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. We'd love to hear from you. Or you can be proactive and click on the link below to get signed up to get pre-approved. Please share this with anyone that you know that has a tax ID number that meets these requirements. We'd love to talk to you to be able to help you to get you pre-approved. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian, and check out my next video, and thank you.